Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of Lumens. With Lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. Stellar. Huddling onto XLM may be a good idea because since reaching its 3-year high last year, Stellar XLM tested its long-term trendline support and flipped it to resistance in December 2021. Since then, it found newer lows as the bears took over the driver's seat. A reliable close below the $0.195 support weight would prepare XLM for a near-term pullback. Post which, it would likely continue its breakout rally from the 17 cents 19 cents demand zone. At press time, XLM traded at $0.1954, down by 1.18% in the last 24 hours. Let's start with XLM daily chart. Since XLM struck the $0.8 level, it turned downward and traded between the 19 cents 39 cents range for over 8 months. The recent bearish phase marked a down channel weight on its daily chart as the alt lost nearly 63.4% from 10 November and hit its 13-month low on 24 February. During this phase, the 20 EMA red posed as a strong barrier for the bulls. They strove to find a sustainable close above this level for over 3 months now. Meanwhile, XLM fell below a crucial area of value at its point of control, red. The fall halted at its 14-month, 16 cents support, where the buyers stepped in to initiate a 24.6% recovery that led to a down channel, yellow, breakout. With the recent gains, the bulls have created a strong demand zone at the 17 cents 19 cents range. This range has historically been a good trigger for a reversal. Can history repeat itself? If the price finds a close below the $0.195 level, a pullback towards the $0.1906 could be conceivable before the alt picks itself up. Such a revival could test the upper channel that also coincided with its 50 EMA sign. Let's move on to rationale. The RSI was in an uptrend over the last 9 days, but still needed to close above the half line to confirm the change in momentum. Also, the yellow trendline revealed a hidden bearish divergence with price. This reading affirmed the possibility of a pullback towards its support range. Interestingly, the OBV has been on an uptrend for over a month now, diverging from the price action, thus hinting at the underlying buying pressure that would open up gates for revival from the 17 cents 19 cents level. And lastly, conclusion, keeping in mind the bearish divergence with RSI, XLM could see a near-term pullback. Following this, the OBV keeps the bullish revival hopes alive from its demand zone. Besides, the traders should factor in the broader market sentiment and the on-chain developments to make a profitable move. So let's discuss one more news, which will be no less important today. Ukraine, DeFi, and here's what's next for scale targeting Stellar and XLM. XRP and Stellar's XLM are both among the market's top 40 cryptocurrencies, and rival siblings too. The link between them is technologist Jed McCaleb, who founded Ripple and then left to co-found the Stellar Development Foundation SDF. Analysts, journalists, and traders admittedly love business rivalries and a dramatic backstory, especially with the SEC v Ripple Labs lawsuit heating up the courtroom. But, while XRP makes headlines, crypto watchers shouldn't lose sight of XLM. Especially since it also has ambitious plans to transform cross-border payments. To that end, Crypto recently interviewed Stellar Development Foundation spokesperson Carolyn Yee to learn more about Stellar, XLM, and the SDF's future targets. Ukrainian like a wrecking ball, Ripple appears to reign supreme in the area of CBDCs, having announced digital currency partnerships with Bhutan and Palau. Meanwhile, Stellar is often linked to Ukraine's electronic hryvnia digital currency. However, there's a catch. He explained, it's important to specify that the electronic hryvnia pilot is not a CBDC. It will be privately issued e-money on blockchain technology, built under Ukraine's current e-money legislation. She added, the issuance of a national digital currency would only take place under the authority of the National Bank of Ukraine. In that case, when can investors expect Stellar to help develop a true blue CBDC? After all, the company has released a white paper on the matter, so surely it must be on the agenda. He confirmed the conversations are ongoing, but that no more could be shared for the time being. Coming back to the e-hryvnia, however, Crypto learned that Tascombank is working to build and test a regulated private electronic hryvnia on Stellar. Following this, deployment is to take place on BIT's Digital Currency Management System, DCMS. He explained, this pilot offers Tascombank a suite of controls that they can configure for their asset control needs, while maintaining the interoperability and flexibility of the open Stellar blockchain. Following that, a potential use case for the electronic hryvnia is a programmable payroll for public employees of the Ukrainian mobile app company DIA. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.